Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I got my beautiful client here. We just have our hair done and I've glam a face. So guys, what do you think? How you feeling this look? Comment down below. Can you comment in the section below? Let me know what you think about this look. Alright guys, if you are new in my channel, my name is Sonia. In this channel I talk about hair, beauty and lifestyles video. So guys, and I will be showing you how I did the chunky box braid. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and support your girl. Subscribe, press the notification bell and stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, I will be starting a box braid now, so stay tuned guys and make sure you enjoy this video, and also hope you learn one or two tips how to do a box braid on a straight Caucasian hair. So guys, I know their hair it can be slippery sometimes, really soft, but I will be showing you how you can hold and grip the hair tight and without slipping off. So stay tuned, keep on watching. Alright guys, I've used two different methods to achieve this box braid, and the second method is the one I'm doing, as you can see. So, and I've changed my method of gripping the hair from the root. So I think it depends on what you feel comfortable with. I use both methods. I'm fine with both methods. Sometimes when I reach to the top of the hair, when I find it quite too high to be able to grip the hair, I do switch my method of gripping hair from the root sometimes. So hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So guys, this is the finishing look of the braids, and the video was too long, so I have to just show you guys the braids. And if you like to see how I've achieved the makeup look, there will be another video. I'll put the link down below. So guys, thank you so much for staying tuned, and I will see you next time. Make sure you subscribe, you like, share and comment. I will see you next time. Bye for now.